The cabinets above the stove gets a lot of oil and grease from cooking, and it's really hard to get off usually if you just try to use dish liquid soap. So if I've got a solution that I make myself, it has borax and Clothe detergent. It's best you spray the solution and let it soak for a few minutes. It'll make removing the oil and grease a lot easier. You can click the link to find out how to make the solution. If it's real dirty like this, you can soak a rag in the solution and it'll make things a lot easier. You see a lot of it's already coming off. You can see it looks a lot better than the left side I haven't worked on yet. The cabinets are cleaner. Those areas just worn paint. Now for the microwave. Now you can't spray the stuff inside the microwave, okay? Just the outside. If it's easier, you can soak the rag in the clean solution. It would be a lot easier. Microwave looks a lot cleaner. The solution I used made it a lot easier to clean.